Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to give status on Litmatch make new friends app. So you can see this is your home page. So many people share their feelings, they share their stories, share their updated. But if you want to post like them, so how can you do this thing? So you can see you need to tap here. It's like a plus and left icon. Simply tap on that. Also tap on that. Then this is the option. You can you can type here, or you can upload picture. If you tap on the plus, choose from library and type anything, choose anything, and tap on here and apply. So tap, and you can also use a hashtag. If you use hashtag, then people will get you. So I'm just randomly type something. You can add multiple add. You can also set location, add location, and you can send emoji. You can set emoji if you want, or you can add location if you want. If you click on the add location, then you can add location, and you can also give the microphone. In order to send voice message, you need to allow Litmatch to access your microphone. So I'm using this, I'm making this video, that's why I don't use this. You can try, you can add the videos if you want. And after that, you can see like to whom you want to show this post. So simply tap on the public, and you can see three options: public, friend, and private only. So you can choose according to your interest. So everyone on Litmatch, and I just keep it like this. And after that, simply tap on the send. Also tap on the send. Okay, let me show you and go back, and you can see it will be published, post published. Okay, so you can see this post is successful published. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.